This is kind of interesting. This is an old school donkey stomper. This was when we first started, and we run them about a year. This is X-Force built. X-Force built them for us about the first year we started. This one originally had DEIs in it. Somebody's changed it out. It's got HGs in it now. It's got two 2290s driving 42879s. I didn't do that. It come in here and it wouldn't work. The key circuit was out, so we fixed the key circuit on it, checked it all out, got it up and going. Somebody took the donkey stomper labels off. I smacked some back on there because that's originally what it is. You can't hide these from us because when X-Force built them for us, they build them a special way. They're different than any other X-Force or donkey stomper out there. So when I see one, it don't matter if it's had pills changed in it or what's been done to it. If I see one, I know it. Like I said, he built them custom for us a certain way. But old X-Force, good old days. I miss old X-Force. But anyway, or Mr. X, we got now it's a donkey stomper 2x4. Somebody put HGs in it, 22290s, driving 42879s. Test review. Straight through SWR. As usual, turn it on. Input SWR, worldwide. I put reflect 5 watts reverse. Worldwide, get old now. Less than half a watt, good to go. 1001 slug, average power. Worldwide, get old now. Worldwide, get old now. 400. 500 whistle. Out on the money. 1001 slug, PDP. Worldwide, get on down. Worldwide, right at close to 1,000. Get over here on the old stanchion meter. 2,500 watt PDP. Worldwide, get on down. Worldwide, get on down. Worldwide. So it's about 800-900. Of course, we all know that meter, and that's the way it does. But she's up, good to go, repaired, ready to rock and roll. Old school, I guess I used to call these BDS-500 maybe. Donkey stomper, first gen. I still like these cases right here. I wish I knew who built these cases for them. Alright folks, thanks for watching the video, hope you enjoyed. Go for an 10-018 Beavis, catch you later, bye bye.